My name is Tracy Lindbergh. I am the tournament director for Belles and Chimes Phoenix Women's Pinball League.
Oh, yay, it worked!
It's the natural inclination when the ball comes close to the flipper to just flip. Now I can get into the zone and just play and shoot and hit exactly what I'm looking for, and it's actually pretty exciting.
My name is Bobbi Wambach, and this is our first tournament of the year.
Oh, why did it stay there?
And the winner also goes home with Antonio, our big stuffed banana. He is our traveling mascot.
We often play in homes, and so we usually do a potluck. Yes, food and enjoying pinball and enjoying each other.
That was Tracy Lindbergh and Bobbi Wambach scoring big in a pinball tournament. If you have suggestions or you hear things that make Phoenix Phoenix, or you just think we need to get flipped around, send us a note, theshow@kjzz.org.